click wrong ones. Alright, it takes only a few seconds. Everything is done. Perfect. I'm gonna go here to my database. And alright, I have the URL and it was changing to posted with a video. I wanna see my YouTube channel now. Go here. And here we have, this is the name of the channel and I have here one video. I'm gonna go and I have here, this is the video. Work hard now, selfie later. Perfect. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to automate your YouTube shorts for free. This way you'll be able to post and schedule unlimited shorts on your YouTube channel. Here you have the flowchart. Basically, you will use a Google Sheet. From here, you are able to schedule and post unlimited shorts on your YouTube channel. Okay, let's get started. Wanna start from scratch? Create a new scenario. And once you're here, the first module that I'm gonna add here is Google Sheet. Here, search rows. And for this part, I'm gonna use this Google Sheet. The name is YouTube Automation. And in this part, I'm gonna complete these fields: the title, URL, the date, and if it was posted. Here, I'm gonna add a new drop down, option 1, and option 2. Okay. Perfect. Have these two options. Well, let's jump into make the come again. And here, the spreadsheet ID. I'm gonna look for this new YouTube automation. Here we have the sheet name, sheet 1, and in this part, in the filter, I'm gonna filter by date. And here, I'm gonna use the format date. It's now, and the format, it's month. Day, and year. Click save. Okay, the next module that I'm gonna add here is Google Drive. I'm gonna search a file. Okay, perfect. But for this, first of all, I'm gonna create a new file here in Google Drive. I'm gonna create a new folder and they will name YouTube Automation. Create. Perfect. Okay, now again here, I'm gonna look for this new folder. Choose your folder, YouTube Automation. Okay, and this part, files and folders, and search within file folder names. And this part, I'm gonna type the title. Okay, search options, search for name containing the search term. Click save. And then I'm gonna add a next module, the same Google Drive, and I need to download this file. That's the reason I'm gonna choose this. The file ID, it comes from the previous module, file ID. Click save. And the last module, obviously, will be YouTube. And here, on upload a video. Connect your YouTube channel. It's so easy. It takes only a few seconds. Okay? The file, the title will be the same title from the first module. It will recognize automatically the file, and here video category, I'm gonna choose here education, and the privacy, it will be public. Okay, the description, for this example you can add another field in your Google Sheet, or in my case I'm gonna choose only the title. That's all. Click save, and we have everything here. Okay, now it's time to make the test. For this, I'm gonna go to Google Drive here, and in this folder that were created, YouTube automation, I'm gonna upload a video. Perfect. Okay, this is the video. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go to my database, and in this part I'm gonna type the title. Remember, the title should be the same name of the file. Work hard now. Selfie. Okay. So I'm gonna copy the name and paste in the title. Work hard now, selfie letter. And the date, I'm gonna test now. This is the date. I'm gonna type here schedule. Alright. Perfect. And I'm gonna add a new last module here. For this, I'm gonna update this Google Sheet. I'm gonna update a row. Okay? It's YouTube automation. The sheet name, sheet 1, and the row number, it comes from the first module. The row number, the title, the date, the URL, it's the web content link, and posted. It's gonna change to posted. Okay, click save. Perfect. Now I'm gonna click here in this part. Run once. Everything is done here. It's a schedule, and the file is done here. I'm gonna click run once. Alright, it takes only a few seconds. Everything is done. Perfect. I'm gonna go here to my database. And alright, I have the URL and it was changing to post it with a video. I wanna see my YouTube channel now. Go here. I wanna see my channel, my videos. And here we have, this is a video. And here we have, this is the name of the channel and I have here one video. I'm gonna go and I have here, this is the video. Work hard now, selfie later. Perfect. Alright, everything is done here. You can add here in your database different titles, obviously, and the date, different dates. Okay? You only need to upload different files here with different names, and the names, this part is important. The name should be the same of this title. Okay? Well, I think it's all. Remember, you have here bunch of tools. You can add new modules here. You can add ChatGPT module if you want, or you can post on YouTube. Not only on YouTube, you can post on Facebook, on Instagram. You know, after all, you have different options here. Depending on what you need, you can use all these modules. Well, I think that's all for today. You can download a blueprint. I'll leave the link in the video description. And if you have any question, leave them in the comments. Okay? Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.